fuel going into it. Oh, shit. Last time I checked, I gave you map 1 because I felt sorry for you.
I miss gears.
Let's go right now. Smoke me on number 1.
And smoke you on number 3.
I felt bad.
I don't know a limit, chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the
Días dolor de cabeza a las autoridades de Houston.
Alright, here we go. Let's see if I'm strong enough. Oh, okay. That was gonna be even worse. Okay, guys, if you actually try to change your fuel pump, I thought it was gonna be like you have to lift up the whole bed just to get to it, bro. But look, I just need help for someone to put one of these under there. That's one problem. Damn, you alright?
Yeah.
So what you're saying is that this is literally the main. This thing is so small with all that fuel going into it. There's people that have little bigger hoses, huh, for the fuel to go through.
The bigger hose, the bigger diameter, you get more flow.
Yeah.
You'll have the same pressure, but more flow.
You won't have the same pressure?
You'll have the same pressure, just more flow.
I'm cleaning it before I open it, so none of the stuff goes inside the tank. Great. First time ever doing it. Half the tank. Hell yeah. Alright, we have a problem. It's hitting the top. Yo, Aquaman! I need you to lift this thing up a little bit more. It's hitting the top. Don't kill me. Alright, we got it. Oh, sheesh. I gotta go. I'll be back. Appreciate it. Right now I have no other option but to use my dirt bike to Gil to RM tuning. But I'm screaming only because the GoPro audio sucks. I already know all the back roads to get over there. Hopefully we don't get stopped. This bike is street legal, but I took off the light and the plate because I usually use it for the dirt and the track, but today it's just one of those days before they close. I just wanna touch your face.
Nah, okay, gloves are dirty.
What'd you think it was for a second? You didn't know it was me?
Once I seen that, I was like, that's
It's pretty legal. I just took off the plate because I was always using it for at the track. All right, guys. Well, I got some bad news. So that piece that Lalo accidentally broke, literally that thing was hard. Like the thing wasn't even coming off. I couldn't even take it off. I was trying to take it off after a little while.
sometimes they break, though.
And they broke, so it broke. Accidents happen, but looks like I'm not gonna get the aftermarket performance pump for that truck. I mean, for the meantime, I really don't need it. I wanted it just to say I have it because later on I don't have to worry about getting it again. So I mean, what I want to do with Little Blue, I want to push her to like at least 500. That's the goal right now, all motor. That pump will allow me to like pump, like have more power, like to the 600 range. So, like let me talk to him a little bit more and see what my options are. If what I'm trying to do actually plays out, or I don't know how to explain it.
Bro, that phone was dumb.
Woo, it's hot. Wait, what again?
You can get it, but it's tomorrow morning.
Okay, so with that pump, the pump that we're gonna get, just the stock one, just like the bullshit one, right?
Look.
Ew.
Bro, what did Dave should spill shit?
I can't put that part. So I want the truck to push at least 500 all motor. I seen it. Velocity actually, like he posted a video of an LT truck pushing 500 to the wheels all motor.
5.3?
5.3.
Fuel system
or I don't know. Do I need an upgraded fuel system to like get to that? I mean, I feel like I do.
100% you want to upgrade your fuel system.
You will get to that point where you're going to need it. So it's a matter if you want a simple fix or you want to upgrade it now.
Yeah, but
I want to upgrade it now.
Might as well eliminate that that's going to happen
Yeah,
now.
but the thing is, you need to upgrade your fuel system. It's not just your pump. You got to bypass your fuel regulator that's inside the pump, feed straight out to an aftermarket fuel regulator,
Yeah.
and then back inside.
So it's gonna be a whole hassle.
You're gonna have to redo it again. So that's what I'm saying.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put on that one, I guess,
This one?
because like, it's not like I'm gonna be pushing power right now.
Go ahead and send it.
But I did wanted it just to get it over.
Because the 5.3 heads, cam, milled, port and polish, all that. If you're going to waste a lot more money, you're getting a 6.2 and upgrading to 6.2.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, I'm working with the 5.3. Working with the 5.3, so I might as well. Because that's the goal. You know, it's easy just putting power, but like, it's easy just to put turbos or nitrous or something and make it 500 easily. But I am a YouTuber and I'm trying to put out content out for you guys to like see what we can do to make these motors fast. The last thing I want to do on the truck, yeah, I am going to boost it, but I want to get the motor prepared, all motor. So I wanted that pump just so I can have it and get it over with and just say like next, when I'm already ready to like start upgrading again, I already have that fuel pump. Mexico. Oh, he wants a dig. Nah, I don't wanna do it here because every time I hit that damn curve, I get a little scared. Hey,
All I saw was my truck in front of yours.
last time I checked, I gave you map 1 because I felt sorry for you because the
Where's
first
map 1?
when I had it on map 2, that's when I got you.
I miss gears.
Let's go to the freaking.
Hey, we're going now.
Let's go right now.
Still, you better post that video where I
No,
smoke
I'm
the
going.
twice
Smoke me on number 1
and smoke you on
because
number 3.
I felt bad.
Oh,
Because number 2 was too much for you.
Oh,
Love talking. I just hope I don't lose because then I just have to entertain the people. Okay, I'm ready. I'll put on Matt too. No mercy. Yeah, 40. Let's do this one more time on the 30, but this thing is fast as 5.3 Cam. Damn, this thing is fast. Yeah. Nah, let's do 1, 2, 3. Alright, fuck it. Talk shit. I'm gonna give him a 30, see how that goes. He was gonna get me on the 30. I was really confident he was gonna get me on the 30. Oh damn! Transmission's hot. 207.